We're in Utrecht, where I'm speaking with Lawrence Corr about the course Agile Data Warehouse Design. Lawrence, can you briefly outline the goal of the workshop?
Hi, Bernard. Well, the training course is aimed at teaching two things, really. Dimensional modeling from an Agile perspective, so it can fit into an Agile project for BI, and model storming, which is, with the help of a methodology called BEAM, a way of gathering requirements collaboratively with business users.
Okay. And can you outline the topics that you cover during the three-day workshop?
Well, it's a highly practical course. It's all based around team exercises. It's getting the technical people who come on a course like this to work in a collaborative way. So we start off by setting the ground, getting teams together, getting them introduced, using a simple script to introduce themselves, and then we adapt that script for gathering data requirements, particularly BI data requirements. And this BEAM script, we use that to articulate the data needs very dimensionally. And then the second half of the course gets a lot more technical, how if we use this simple script, we can convert it very readily into a dimensional model, maybe other forms of model too, but particularly for publishing it dimensionally so it's BI friendly.
Okay. And what are the typical job titles that you get on the course? Who is it intended for?
Well, quite a mix. Obviously, we get the sort of classic BI developers and data modelers, database architects, but some business people as well in the overlapping area, business analysts. It's really, the course is aimed at giving business analysts enough knowledge to be, proficient BI data modelers, and data modelers and data developers enough requirements gathering experience to be competent business analysts in a BI space.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
My pleasure.